Okay, what I'm doing here is I have cut these 2x4s to 92 5/8 inches, and I'm going to use the leftovers down here as spacers for my corner pieces. I'll build these good strong wide corner pieces on both ends. I have marked on my 12-foot 2x4 by 12. Well, I'm getting tired, can't even talk anymore. I've marked them every 16 inches from the corner over there, because on the outside, when I start putting those, I'm going to need to measure from every 16 inches from the corner, which will make it a little lopsided on the inside, but there's probably not going to be any OSB or sheetrock or anything on the inside because it's a shed. So marking 16 inches from the outside, I put these little divots to let me know that the 2x4s are placed to this side of that mark. That way, when I put my edge of my siding board on the outside, I'm nailing up just to the right of that, nailing up just to the right of that mark, so on and so forth. And of course, before I stand this up, I'll go ahead and either lay those on there and nail them in place so it all goes up as one piece, or I'll chalk line that before I try to nail. Either way, just like I chalk lined this before I nailed it in place. When I lift this up, I will take another 2x4 and put one screw or one nail near the top and use that as a handle to bring this up. The reason I'm starting with this wall over here is because I have this tree if it tries to go too far with me, being this that I'm working alone and I'm not as young and strong as I used to be. I want to use that as a handle so that I don't overthrow and just toss the wall out in the yard. And before I even do that, my plan is to build this wall completely, have it ready to go up, shove it over here, and I've kept my little stops on the outer edges that help me get everything square. And of course, I'll check my square diagonally like I did on the floor. And then when I'm ready to go up with this wall, it'll be a matter of going up with this wall, then go up with that wall, then build the back wall and stand it up and connect the three. And then the most complicated wall to build will be the wall over here that has the doors in it, because I'll be making a doorway in that with the header and everything. Then I'll stand it up. But I want as much of this done as possible before I put up any wall, so that once I start standing them up, I can quickly build the other two walls, stand them up and start connecting them so they can support each other. And the stuff that goes wrong with that plan will be included in the video, and my solutions to it I will include in the video as well. Just like I did in these other videos in this playlist that'll appear at the end of the video in the corner, showing all the steps to building this shed with all the mistakes and all the solutions, like that solution to that mistake.